bitch from the beginning. You already know I'm winning. When I come around, baby, you know I'm shining, ain't no dimming. Went to the club last night. It was so lit. So this morning, I'm putting on lashes. And my bestie in the building. And my bestie in the building. Pussy top. What it top? Pussy top. Don't nothing but the cash on top. Don't nothing but the back. Yeah. Real love. I'm searching for real love. I'm searching for a real love. And they're gonna be mine. He know Cardi B wanted to put that whole in the trap now. Oh my god. The fact that this is a museum is like I would like to say that the Trap House Museum was so much fun, and it is very much trapped out because when we walked out, it was with at least 28 grams on him, just out in the open in the bag. So it's very hood, but it's very fun. And if you never came, make sure that you. Ooh, okay, so we just paid for valet. $20 to park by ourselves. That makes sense. We just are now leaving Lenox. I got me some shoes for $3, and I know you probably thinking it's gonna be cheap. You know that quality is not gonna be all that. Not quantity, but quality. That quality not gonna be all that. Baby, please, once you see me in my clunkers, honey, please, you gonna wish that you had caught yourself for $3 for them cute shoes. Anyway, I met up with my co-host. We getting out. So yeah, we about to go to Hyde and eat and smoke a little hookah and smoke a little hookah. Say it, smoke a little hookah and smoke a little hookah and smoke a... She hungry. She don't have that much energy. But yeah. Macaroni, fried chicken on top of mashed potatoes, collard greens, some hot sauce. You can't go wrong with that. She got the same thing as me. Then we got some cornbread biscuits, baby. Left thoroughbred. You a phony, and I'm nasty. Elliot did my necklace. Yeah, I'm one of a kind. Stay to the left. Lovey is leaving. This is the departure ride. Down. Photo shoot.